One of the primary advantages of using wooden monitor and laptop stands is their impact on ergonomics. Proper ergonomics is crucial for maintaining a healthy posture, especially during long hours of computer use. Many individuals tend to slouch or hunch over their devices, which can lead to discomfort, pain, and long-term health issues. Wooden stands help elevate screens to eye level, encouraging users to maintain a neutral spine position. By ensuring that the top of the monitor is at or slightly below eye level, these stands promote a more natural alignment of the head, neck, and spine. This adjustment can significantly reduce the risk of developing musculoskeletal disorders over time. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wooden computer monitor and laptop stand ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Moreover, wooden stands can help alleviate eye strain, a common complaint among computer users. When screens are positioned too low, users often find themselves leaning forward or tilting their heads, leading to discomfort and fatigue. By raising the monitor or laptop, wooden stands create a more comfortable viewing angle, minimizing the need for excessive neck movements and reducing the strain on the eyes. This simple adjustment can enhance productivity and focus, allowing individuals to work more efficiently without the distractions of physical discomfort. In addition to ergonomic benefits, wooden monitor and laptop stands can enhance the overall aesthetic of a workspace. Wood has a timeless appeal that adds warmth and character to any environment. Unlike plastic or metal alternatives, wooden stands exude a natural elegance that can complement a variety of decor styles. Whether in a minimalist office or a cozy home workspace, wooden stands can serve as attractive focal points that elevate the visual appeal of the setup. The rich textures and unique grain patterns of wood create a sense of connection to nature, fostering a calming atmosphere that promotes creativity and focus. The durability of wooden furniture further underscores the advantages of using wooden stands. When crafted from high-quality materials, wooden stands can withstand the wear and tear of daily use, maintaining their structural integrity over time. Unlike some cheaper alternatives that may warp or break, a well-made wooden stand can last for years, making it a worthwhile investment for any workspace. This longevity not only provides value but also aligns with sustainable practices, as many wooden stands are made from responsibly sourced materials. By choosing durable wooden options, individuals can reduce waste and contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. Another benefit of wooden monitor and laptop stands is their versatility. These stands can accommodate various devices, including monitors, laptops, tablets, and even printers. This adaptability makes them a practical addition to any workspace, allowing users to create a customized setup that meets their specific needs. Furthermore, many wooden stands come with additional features such as built-in storage compartments or cable management systems, enhancing their functionality. This versatility ensures that individuals can optimize their workspaces, keeping them organized and clutter-free. Incorporating wooden stands into a workspace can also foster a sense of mindfulness and intentionality. The act of selecting aesthetically pleasing and functional accessories can enhance the overall experience of working. By choosing wooden stands, individuals engage in a conscious decision to create a workspace that reflects their values and preferences. This intentionality can promote a positive mindset and encourage a more focused approach to work. The connection to nature that wood represents can also serve as a reminder to take breaks, breathe, and remain grounded throughout the workday. The tactile experience of using wooden stands is another aspect that contributes to their appeal. Wood has a unique texture and warmth that can enhance the sensory experience of a workspace. The feel of a wooden surface can evoke a sense of comfort and familiarity, adding to the overall enjoyment of working. This tactile connection can encourage individuals to spend more time in their workspaces, fostering productivity and creativity. In a world where digital interactions dominate, the presence of natural materials can provide a welcome contrast, reminding users of the physical world around them. Wooden monitor and laptop stands can also enhance organization within a workspace. Many designs incorporate additional features such as shelving or compartments, allowing users to keep essential items within reach while maintaining a tidy environment. This organization can reduce distractions and create a more efficient workspace, enabling individuals to focus on their tasks without the clutter of disorganized items. By providing designated spaces for accessories such as notebooks, pens, or chargers, wooden stands can streamline the work process and improve overall productivity. Furthermore, the aesthetic appeal of wooden stands can contribute to a more inspiring work environment. A well-designed workspace that reflects personal style can enhance motivation and creativity. Wooden stands can serve as a foundation for personalized decor, allowing individuals to express their personalities through their workspaces. Whether adorned with plants, artwork, or personal mementos, the combination of wood and meaningful decor can create an inspiring atmosphere that encourages innovation and fresh ideas. In addition to their functional benefits, wooden monitor and laptop stands can have a positive impact on mental well-being. A well-organized and aesthetically pleasing workspace can enhance mood and reduce stress. When individuals feel comfortable and inspired in their environments, they are more likely to approach their work with enthusiasm and creativity. The calming effect of wood, combined with the orderly presentation of a workspace, can contribute to a sense of clarity and focus. This mental clarity is essential for productivity and can empower individuals to tackle challenges with confidence. The environmental considerations associated with wooden furniture also play a significant role in the appeal of wooden stands. As consumers become more conscious of their ecological footprint, the demand for sustainable materials has increased. Many wooden monitor and laptop stands are crafted from sustainably sourced wood, ensuring that the production process minimizes environmental impact. By choosing wooden stands, individuals can support responsible forestry practices and contribute to a greener future. This alignment with sustainable values enhances the overall appeal of wooden furniture, making it a preferred choice for eco-conscious consumers. The craftsmanship involved in creating wooden stands also highlights their importance. Skilled artisans often handcraft these pieces, paying attention to detail and quality. This dedication to craftsmanship ensures that each stand is not only functional, but also a work of art. The uniqueness of each piece, combined with the artistry of the craftsmanship, adds character and charm to any workspace. This appreciation for craftsmanship can foster a deeper connection between the user and their workspace, transforming an ordinary setup into a personalized sanctuary. Additionally, the use of wooden stands can facilitate better collaboration in shared workspaces. In environments where multiple individuals use the same space, wooden stands can provide a cohesive aesthetic that enhances the overall design. Their natural materials and elegant designs can create a sense of unity, making the workspace feel more inviting and conducive to collaboration. This shared aesthetic can foster a positive atmosphere, encouraging teamwork and creativity among coworkers. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.